digs a bone. He buries it deep, then gives a groan. E is for elephant, big and gray. He swings his trunk and starts to spray. F is for fish who swims so fast. Swish, 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 he zooms right past. G is for guitar, strum and play. We sing a song to start the day. H is for hat, so high and tall. It flies off when the wind says call. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. Melt so fast in the summer heat. J is for jump up to the sky. Touch the clouds as we bounce so high. K is for kite, flying free. It dances in the windy breeze. L is for lion with a mighty roar. He shakes the ground and then he snores. M is for monkey, swinging around. He flips and flops without a sound. N is for nest, so cozy and small, where baby birds learn to call. O is for octopus, arms so wide. Its silly legs, what a crazy ride. P is for pizza, cheesy and hot, with toppings piled up in every spot. Q is for queen with a shiny crown. She rules the land in a royal gown. R is for rainbow, color so bright. It shines across the sky just right. S is for sun, warm and bright. It wakes us up with morning light. T is for train, chugging along. Toot toot, all aboard the song. U is for umbrella for rain or sun. Open it up, run, run, run. V is for violin, sweet and slow. Let's play music soft and low. W is for whale, big and blue. He sings a song deep in the blue. X is for xylophone, ring the bell. Tap the keys, can you spell? Y is for yo-yo, up and down. It spins and zips all around town. Now you've met each letter, friend, from A to Z. That's the end, let's sing it again. Don't you agree? Learning letters is fun as can be. Now you've met each letter, friend, from A to Z. That's the end, let's sing it again. Don't you agree? Learning letters is fun as can be. Now you've met each letter, friend, from A to Z. That's the end, let's sing it again. Don't you agree? Learning letters is fun as can be.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy it, please hit the like button and subscribe.